Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we'll see Standard 6 Subject Science. In that chapter number 11. Chapter name is Light, Shadows and Reflection. In that up to main 5 we have seen. Today we'll see main 6. Answer the following questions in a short. 2 marks each. Number 1. What do you mean by source of light? State its type, giving example. Answer is the objects that emit their own light are called luminous objects or source of light. There are two types of light sources. Number 1, natural source of light, example sun, stars, firefly, etc. Number 2, artificial source of light, lantern, electric bulb, torch, candle, etc. Number 2, how is the shadow formed? Answer is light always travels in a straight line. If an opaque object comes in the path of light rays, they cannot pass through the object and shadow is formed behind the object. Thus, a shadow is formed due to the obstructions of the light. Main 7. Explain giving scientific reasons. 2 marks each. Number 1. Moon gives light but is not considered a source of light. Answer is a source of light is an object that emits its own light. The moon does not emit its own light. It reflects back the sunlight that falls on it. Hence, a moon is not considered a source of light. Number 2. We cannot see an object kept in a dark room. Answer is an object is visible when the light falls on the object, reflects back and enters our eyes. In a dark room, no light is there. Hence, the object is not visible in a dark room. Now main 8. Give 2 points of differences. 2 marks each. Number 1. Difference between transparent object and opaque object. Point 1. Light can pass through it easily, and in opaque object, light cannot pass through it. Number 2. In transparent object, it does not form shadow. Example glass, water, air. And in number 2, in opaque objects, it forms shadow. Example wood, wall. Now number 2, difference between shadow and image. Number 1, a shadow is formed when an opaque object comes in path of light. And point 1 in image, an image is formed when light gets reflected by a mirror. Number 2, the shadow of a colored object is black in color, and in image, point 2, the color of image is same as that of the object. Main 9, classify. 4 marks each. Number 1, classify the following into natural light source and artificial light source. Candle, sun, electric bulb, lantern, stars, torch, firefly, tube light. Natural source of light, sun, stars, firefly, are natural source of light, and artificial source of light, candle, electric bulb, lantern, torch, tube light are the artificial source of light. Now see the number 2. Classify the following objects, materials into transparent, opaque and translucent. Mirror, tracing paper, air, pencil, muddy water, pure water, milk, milky glass, spectacle lens, cloud, brick, castor oil. Now see the transparent objects or materials are air, pure water, spectacle, lens are the transparent object. Opaque objects, mirror, pencil, milk and a brick are opaque objects, and translucent objects, tracing paper, muddy water, milky glass, cloud, castor oil are the translucent object. Main 10. Answer the following questions in details. 4 or 5 marks each. Number 1. Describe the method to construction a pinhole camera. Take 2 boxes so that one can slide into another with no gap in between them. Cut open one side of each box. On the opposite face of the larger box, make a small hole in the middle. In the smaller box, cut out from the middle a square with a side of about 5 to 6 centimeter. Cover this open square in the box with a tracing paper. Slide the smaller box inside the larger one with the hole in such a way that the side with the tracing paper is inside. Your pinhole camera is ready for use. Now see the number 2. Describe an experiment to prove that light travels in a straight line. In that aim, to prove that light travels in a straight line, apparatus and materials are 3 cardboards of equal dimensions, candle, thin rod. Now see the figure. Here the figure is there. In that eyes here, we can see from this side. This is the cardboards and this one is the candle. This one cardboard number 1, cardboard number 2 and cardboard number 3. In this place you have to draw the figure. Now see the method. Take 3 cardboards of equal dimensions, place them on each other and pierce a hole through all of them with the help of the thin pointed rod. Arrange them as shown in the figure. Now pass the thin rod through the holes of the cardboard so that the holes remain in a line. Now place a burning candle on one side of the arrangement. Try to see the candle flame from the opposite sides of the arrangement. Now slightly shift any one of the cardboard and try to observe the candle flame. Again, observation. When the holes of all the 3 cardboards are in the same line, the candle flame was visible. When one of the cardboards was shifted, the candle flame was not visible. Conclusion is that light travels in a straight line. Now we will see the activities in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.